Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can regrow a lemon tree from seeds from store-bought lemon or wherever you've got them from. So what you do is you get out the lemon seeds from the lemon, probably after you've juiced it or whatever, and then you put the lemon seeds on a paper towel just to let it dry a little bit, and then you go on and separate the lemon seeds. So as you can see here, these ones have been cut through, probably when I cut the lemons to make the lemonade. So you separate them out and leave just the ones that are full seeds and have not been cut. That just reduces the error level. So once you have separated them, as you can see, these are the ones that were cut into, and these are the full seeds. You pop the seeds into water and you let that rest for about 2-3 hours. So what this does, it helps to peel out the outer layer of the seed, right, and makes it easier to germinate. I will have to caveat this by saying that lemon trees do not typically grow very quickly, and even if you were to harvest lemons, it may not look like the original lemon that was planted. So this is very much a pet project for a hobby. It's not really for producing. I mean, if you get a lemon or lemons after, fine, but it does take years for anything tangible to come up or to be able to be harvested. It's just a fun project that, you know, you probably end up with a nice lemon plant at home which smells nice, and that's the bonus. So back to the topic. So you have this, you leave it to rest for 2 to 3 hours. So it's been more than a few hours later. I ended up going on to bake some bread, and I'll link that video in to this one. But after a few hours, you will see that it's beginning to separate. So you see the outer film, outer layer of the lemon seeds is kind of very soft, and it's ready to separate from the stronger core. The next stage is to get some soil, and then what you do is just put the seeds into the soil. So lemons have a high failure rate. Lemons grown from seeds have a high failure rate, so I tend to plant a whole lot in one spot, and then when they start to form seedling and it's sure that it will work, then I separate them out. So once you spread them, this is just to increase like the probability of you ending up with at least 1 or 2 lemon seedlings. Then you just push them into the soil like I'm doing. So once they are fully pushed in, you water it in. My soil is already watered, so I'm not going to put any additional water. My soil is really wet, as you can see. But for you, you put some water in and just put it in a warm area and watch it grow. And within 2 months, you should end up with something like this. So this one was planted in September, very early September, and we're in end of November. So 2-3 months, you end up with something like this. Now, out of the whole, I'll say about 10 seeds are planted, only one survived. That's how bad the failure rate is. But yeah, it's like I said, it's a hobby, so you just keep nursing it, watering it as needed, and eventually you end up with a lemon tree. Thank you for watching. I hope this has been very useful. If you have any comments or any questions, do leave them in the comment section, and I'll see you when I see you. Thank you. Bye.